Hi class, Mrs. Welsh here. I just wanted to check in with you. We're, 6 weeks into the semester and it's almost October. So I wanted to reach out and see if anybody needed any help. We have covered some basics and, obviously I'd rather have you in class, have you in the gym, be working out, being taught, teaching face to face with you and answer those questions that you might have, get you a little more information, but we're going to make do. So I'm trying to make this as easy of a process for you. I know your most important classes at this point are your core courses. You need to concentrate on them. You're going to get out and do your trades. So, but this class is also just as important. I wanted to make it a little interesting. We covered some cardiovascular health, the SMART goals, and last week Eileen spoke about nutrition and getting into a grocery store and applying those nutritional intelligence or knowledge to grocery shopping and picking foods. So we're going to kind of stick on that theme this week, and we are going to continue on menus and food labels and just doing a little more with the nutritional side of fitness and wellness. So we're going to concentrate on that. So watch the video, take the quiz, and then next week we will have a few activities that I'll be assigning you, and once again some type of video and a quiz. But I wanted to let you know that if at any point you need any help, please reach out to me. I am always available. Email is the best source, and you can also call me on my office phone. I get back to you a little more quickly on the email, so feel free to reach out. If you miss anything, a quiz or watching a video or something where it's closed because it's past the due date, please just let me know, and I can help wherever I can. So have a great week. Enjoy the weather. We've had some great weather lately. And enjoy the video, take the quiz, and have a good time. Thanks.